I just finished this vintage Reuge double singing bird cage that is in outstanding cosmetic and mechanical condition. This was crafted in 1972 as indicated by the handwritten date on the bellows inside. So I fully serviced the mechanism so the birds sing exactly as they should. Let's hear it play, and we'll start off on the pause feature, which is the first setting. Very strong singers. An exceptionally long pause, indicating that the bellows are in superb condition. We'll wait for one more pause and then we'll switch to continuous. As we're waiting, you can see that the original feathers on the bird are also superb. I'm going to switch to continuous now. Both birds animate flawlessly. They open and close their beaks, flutter their tail, rotate their head, and also rotate their entire body on their axes. It's really a loud bird cage, which is nice. And that's the air escaping through the whistle, which is perfectly normal since I turned it off. So in summary, a vintage 1972 Reuge double singing bird cage in amazing cosmetic and mechanical condition with highly colorful birds. Take care.